Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Saving with Van and 90. It's a pleasure to have you here today. I'm so excited because today I will be sharing some happy mail that I received from Dream Big Budgets from a giveaway that I won. So please keep watching so we can find out what I got today. So bienvenidos a mi canal Saving with Van and 90. Es un placer tenerlos aquí. El día de hoy voy a estar compartiendo con ustedes un regalo que me gané en el sorteo del canal Dream Big Budgets. So espero que continúen viendo para ver qué ganamos. So before I continue, I just asked me how much watch hours I had, and I told her I was kind of low. I was in the 700s starting, and she told me she would be playing my playlist, and she has 2-3 days already sending me like a little comment just to know that she's playing my playlist. So I truly appreciate it. I already told you thank you a million times, but I'm so grateful to everybody that's helping me, by either subscribing or playing my videos to earn watch hours. As of today, Friday, August the 19th, I have a total of 772 hours. So they've been increasing little by little, but I am seeing it grow, so I'm so thankful. So estaba dándole las gracias a Natalie porque me ha estado mandando mensajes estos pasados 3 días. Ha estado tocando mi lista de reproducción de videos de YouTube para ayudarme a ganar horas. So, se lo agradezco de todo corazón. Ya se lo dije una y muchas veces, pero lo sigo haciendo porque estoy tan agradecida por todas las personas que han estado ayudándome. Ya sea a suscribirse, compartir mi canal y viendo mis videos. So I just got my scissors so we could start opening the package. And I'm going to open it on this little corner. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful this is. So this is a parent planner that that Natalie was giving in her giveaway. And it's so beautiful. It's more beautiful in person. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. I love the colors. So here is so we could write our personal information, emergency contacts, family neighbors, home emergency guide. Here is so we could draw our house and teach the kids the evacuation plan. Birthdays. And this one it says, as parents, we try our best to teach our children all about life, but really they are the ones teaching us what life is all about. So it has each month. The monthly budget, which this one it's perfect for cash budgeting. This is a chores which I could use for both myself and the kids. It has wash dishes, load dishes, and it has the days of the week and the chores to do. Next we have the week of. Oh wow, this is a great planner. It has each week and it's colorful. It has the days of the week. It has on the side so we could do our grocery list, and on the bottom a menu. I have shared with you guys that I do meal plan because that way I save time from deciding each day what I will be cooking, and money because that way I plan things that I could use for different foods. For example, if we buy chicken, I do chicken broth. I do a lot. The leftover chicken, I do chicken tostadas, chicken quesadillas. I could do chicken enchiladas. I could do chicken salad. So I love this, and it has one, as I can see, for each week of the month. So I hadn't seen one planner. I'm really loving it. And here we have these to do notes. Then it goes to the next month. It has all tabs. Each month it's the same. So I could plan for the month. So I really love this. Let's go to the end of the planner. And this one it says info. For info, it has here you could write the babysitter information, guardians, the house rules, the name of our kids. Right here in this section you write the name of their kids, if they had food allergies, medical information, what's allowed, what's not allowed. That's for each child. You have the child profile where you write each information of them, their medications, their date of birth, a picture of each child. Then we have the school information, what is the name of the school they go to, who is their teacher, who is the principal. This is really good. I love it. Oh, and this one I'm for sure gonna use as well. And this one is activities and organization. So as you know, I have my kids in activities, in swimming, in soccer. My daughter wants to join volleyball. So this is really good to have. children's friends. Who are your children's friends? Where do they live? What is their parents' name? Their phone numbers? This is a really good planner, which I hadn't seen. And here we have on the back a savings planner with account name, deposit withdrawals balance, our saving goals. Home maintenance. I do not own a home, I rent, but it's really good to have that. Auto maintenance. Vehicle 1, vehicle 2. It talks about oil changes, wheel alignment, tires rotation, tire changes, air filter, and more. So we could keep up with the record of our auto maintenance. Here we have restaurants and food deliveries. We could write down the name of the restaurants we like, their phone number, their website. So we could have this here. We have a grocery pickup delivery section. We have a restaurant delivery section. A vacations planner where where would we like to go on vacations, location, lodging, flight, auto rental, any ideas and plans we have, travel information. This is really, really good. Seriously, I didn't know it had that much stuff. I was just hoping I would win it because it was a parent planner, and I like to have everything organized. And I have some stuff here and there. And with this, I could have everything together, but I didn't think it was going to have that much. So yes, this is awesome. And look, it has really cute stickers. It has here stickers for events, for holidays, for birthdays, for appointments, when is our bills due, for travel, parties, cleaning, meal planning, me time, which is so important. I don't get that much. Oh, for cleaning, mopping. What day are we gonna mop? What day are we gonna wash? Oh, this is so cute. For the gym, for meetings, babysitter, pets. It has many, many cute stickers for everything. This one is, don't forget, no stickers, our to-do list, what's urgent, important, priorities, the months of the year. And the only thing I won on the giveaway, which I totally loved. But she asked me if I needed any labels because she got a machine to make labels. So Natalie was so nice enough to do me labels because I told her, she asked me if I was missing some, and I do. As you've seen, I have sticky notes. So she made one for Angel in Heaven, which is my daughter's envelope, which we take her flowers to the cemetery. So she made this one. She made one for D-Bucks, for E-Bucks, for Costco, and the unexpected. Thank you so much, Natalie, for these extras. I really love them. Look, they change colors. They're shiny. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, Natalie. Right away and start labeling my envelopes with these, my sticky notes, and add these beautiful labels that you made for me. And of course I will get started and adding the information in parent planner. So so in the future you will start seeing this planner in my videos. I really liked all it has. So thank you so much once again, Natalie. So here's her Etsy shop information once again. Make sure to go check out her YouTube channel, support her, subscribe, check out her Etsy shop. She has many wonderful items. I loved everything you sent me. Hope you all have a nice rest of your day and a nice weekend coming ahead. Bye-bye.